meeting ko basutan.
Minister in charge of PHE, Marcuise and Marak said, though the rainfall has started in Shillong and the East Khasi Hills, the Garo Hills region continues to have dry spell as there is shortage of rainfall. He said this will take some time to rejuvenate the water sources in Garo Hills. Talking about availability of water, Marak said, unlike Shillong, that has a storage facility in the Mauplang Dam for Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, in Garo Hills we have lack of such facility. He said once the Model Code of Conduct is lifted, he will have a review meeting and inspect the various projects in the state.
Here in Shillong, it's quite heavy here. Today also, before coming to office, I've seen heavy downpour. Yesterday also was there, I was told. But in Garo Hills, it's not up to the mark till now. There are rains in Garo Hills also, but it will take some more time to rejuvenate the forces in Garo Hills. Storage for Shillong Water Supply Scheme we have there in the Mauplang Dam. But however, in Garo Hills, we are still having scarcities because of insufficient rainfall coming in. I'm just waiting for the MCC to be lifted. Once MCC is lifted, I'll have a review meeting in Garo Hills also, and I will be inspecting a number of projects there in Garo Hills and as well as in Khasi Hills also. And only after that, we'll be able to take corrective measures if required.
The Hindu Trep Youth Council, West Khasi Hills,